So this is what we call the painting fail. And this one was yellow, green, purple, and blue. And it was an interesting adventure. Purple was not pre-mixed. Purple was some of my mix from an old bottle, but I think it was watered down. But anyway, I did a ring pour, and at first it looked really good. It looked like a peacock type of vibe, but then it muddied. They just blended all together.
Hey everyone, Janet here. We had a bit of a situation at the color office today. The painting is definitely in trouble. I think it's because I could tell that the purple was off a little bit, but now that it's on the canvas, I see that it was off a lot.
Hey everyone, it's Purple. We need to talk about this latest piece, and honestly, it's mostly my fault. I could tell the consistency of the purple paint was off right from the start.
We did another pour on top of the other one to try to fix it, and yeah, this was the result of it.
I was really trying to keep everyone balanced here. You can see yellow and I starting to play together nicely at the start, but then blue came in. Strong. I appreciate the help, Blue, really, but the energy shifted fast once that spin started. And now, we've lost yellow altogether.
The first painting was a disaster.
Mistakes were made. The painting suffered.
I don't know. It's not my favorite, but you can really see how blue is really standing out. If you look closely, you can see some of the purple, but blue and green is really carrying this painting. You can still see some of the yellow up at the top. So I thought it was purple's issue. So we tried to do it again, and then we did the bottom.
Hey everyone, Janet here. We ran into some problems on the last episode of the color office. I thought we should give those colors another try. We'll start with a smooth green base coat across the entire canvas. After coating our canvas, we place the bottle bottoms and pour our colors right over them.
Blue and I mixed and turned into that yellow-green wash across the top.
I didn't need to dominate the whole canvas to make an impact.
Okay, I love this. This painting has depth. I did that.
And this is the result. And it's still muddied. I decided we're going to try one more time with those same colors, but we're going to use my mixture, which is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint.
We're mixing our own paint today because the last 2 paintings with pre-mixed paint did not meet my standards. Since yellow got lost in the previous paintings, I decided she should be the base for this painting.
Using the bottle top technique requires the paint to be just thick enough to stay vibrant but thin enough to flow into these beautiful flower patterns.
And then this is the results. So same colors, but this is with my paint. Both of these are bottle bottom pours. So you can see that this turned out way better than this one. We did pink, white, yellow, red, and orange. And this was a split cup over a ring pour.
I love the final result.
I love the final painting.
Whatever this is, I like it. This is pretty cool looking. I really like the way this turned out. And then we did a strainer pour. So I really like this one.
Orange and red brought the warmth, while white separated the colors so the petal pattern would remain visible. Pink, yellow, red, and orange formed bright rings around the strainer. When the strainer was lifted, the colors opened into a clear flower shape.
It is definitely hotter than I expected, but you can still see the softer pink around the edges.
Perfect balance.
I really like the way this one turned out. I love the colors. You can see orange and red. You can see some of yellow coming through down in this corner. You can still see the pink. You can still see the white. Those are all of the paintings from the first season of The Color Office.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Season 2 coming soon. We will be adding new characters. You don't want to miss it.